Hi everyone, welcome back to Technouron YouTube channel. I hope you saw my YouTube channel which I recently started. And I already uploaded 3 videos on how to install Git, Java, MySQL in your system. If you're facing any issues while installing those softwares, you can watch my videos. I explain step by step, so which is very helpful to resolve all your issues, and you can easily install those software in your system. If you didn't watch those videos, I will give the link here. You can watch those videos and you can resolve your issues as well. So coming to this video, why I'm making this video is I'm going to I'm going to start a new series on Java program where I can explain you from the basic programs to advanced programs. Which means like from the for freshers they will ask some program questions, for experience they will ask some program questions, right? So for all those kind of questions I'm going to explain in this video. Okay, so you can crack your technical interview very easy. So you guys can ask me like nowadays AI is everywhere, right? So why these videos again? So the main aim of this series is to make you understand the program, to make you understand the how many ways we can write program for a single question in a easy way, and in a it will differ from based on logics as well. Okay, so if this series is useful to you guys, like let's share this series with your friends, like this video. And one more thing, if you have any doubt on any program, you can comment it on this video, so I will obviously try to make a video on that on your request. Okay, so just don't forget to subscribe this channel guys, so that in next time you will get the notification whenever I uploaded the video. Let's start the Java series.